This box contains my new Optic 8 Plus. I'm really excited. I have an Optic 4 and an Optic 6 already. LEDgrowlightdepot.com is where I got it. This is the newest of the new. And it's gonna be awesome. Let's open this thing up. It's a large box. Alright. Solve this problem. There we go. Alright, plastic comes off. Fan for each one I see already. Let's go. This little guy. So it's got the adjustable cables for all to hang it. That's awesome. Those are good. Power cord. Awesome. Alright, so let's flip this thing over. It's heavy. There we go. There it is. So, looks like there's 8 cobs. I've got the 120 degree cobs on this one, being that it's going in a 5x5 tent. Yeah, this thing is awesome. It's huge. Let's see if I can spin this around so you can see some dials. So what's super cool about this guy, it's like full spectrum. So it's got infrared, it's got UV, and it's got the far red spectrum. So it's a pretty cool deal. So let's get this thing hooked up and check it out. Alright, so we got this thing hung up, and let's just go through it and kind of check some stuff out. So, see right away, it looks like a knob to control the veg, the bloom, and a bloom enhancer. So let's click on these cobs. These are those Cree cobs, pretty rad. Looks like these 2 center ones are the cooler temperature, and the outside 3 on each side are the warmer one. So if I turn this veg knob, it's like those inside ones crank up, and that is pretty bright. And then I'll crank up this bloom one. Looks like jeez, those outside ones go on. This thing is crazy. So then flip that inside one, the UV, IR, far red. There it goes. That pops on, and then that's controlled on its own knob too. So turn those things up. Man, I gotta get some. So this thing's crazy. Yeah, so you can see what looks like UV. Looks like these are these far red, or infrared, I'm sorry. And then far red. It looks like just a couple of whites in the center. That's crazy. So, I use cannabis for a number of reasons. I had some injuries skating and snowboarding, and I'm not interested in pain pills. Cannabis is a good alternative, and that's one reason. The other reason is socially and recreationally. I like it. I like the culture. I like to garden and grow vegetables too, so it's kind of natural to want to grow my own medicine as well. It's important to me to know where this comes from instead of just get a bag. I have no idea where it came from, who handled it, what they used to grow it. The choices I make are kind of organic stuff. I make all my own nutrients, all that kind of stuff, so I know I have a kind of peace of mind in what goes into this, and that makes me feel good. when I made the choice to start growing my own cannabis, I did what I normally do when it comes to making major purchases and watched 5,000 YouTube videos. And after just watching a whole bunch of reviews and, you know, comparing prices and looking at all the details and stuff, I kind of landed on the Optic line of lights. They were, one, super affordable as far as these LED fixtures go. Two, they had the cool, kind of some cool features that I was into, and you know, I had to just choose LEDs because of the monthly, you know, the cost to run them is a lot lower, and they're a lot more efficient, and that's important to me too. I really liked the dimmability on these. I like that you can dim these things down in a veg state, so you're only using as much energy as they need. You don't have to just be 100% all the time. I think that's really great. The full spectrum stuff is really cool too. I think having the infrared and the UV and the far red is really cool as well. And I've noticed with the other Optic 4 and Optic 6 that I have previously, I feel like you get an advantage, you know, you get more color. These plants, you know, they show a little more color, it seems like, and that's exciting and that's interesting. So not just functionality, but it's kind of fun and cool as well. Also, I decided to put that 4 and 6 into 110, and then they just come out with this Optic 8 Plus. And I was instantly pretty excited about this thing because I love those other lights that I had gotten from them. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this thing out. It's huge. It seems like it's really great quality so far. It's bright as hell. Yeah, I really can't wait to do a full cycle with this and see what it does. My Instagram page, if you want to follow along and watch this thing work, is Dark Arts Organics. Yeah, follow me there. You can check this thing out if you're interested to see how it works, and I know I am. So thank you guys, and take care.